This whole ultrasound conference started about 8 years ago, and I used to come down and stay with Lyndon. And I was just about to graduate from residency training, and I said to Lyndon, I was staying at Russell High School, Lyndon was living at the time, and I said, you know, I want to really give back to Jamaica, and how can I do it? You know, I did ultrasound training and whatsoever. And I said, you know, I want to go to KPH, you know. So Lyndon was kind of key, because if Lyndon had said, no man, I don't think that's a good idea, don't let dangerous or whatever, I would have just probably walked away. Okay, but Lyndon actually said, I think that's a great idea, and let me show you how to get to KPH. And Lyndon actually drove me down to KPH, and then that's where I met Dr. Wong. And for those of you who don't know the story, you can ask Dr. Wong the rest of that story. So that was 8 years ago, and all of that, you know, we have you here. And sometimes, you know, the attitude is that it's the public hospitals, and sometimes we can forget that, you know, you're a physician, and your job is to serve life's poorest. I mean, there's no better mark of a physician than when the pay might not be as gratifying as other careers may be. You realize that you see people at the most vulnerable stage of their lives, when they just want to live. They're having pain, or they realize that they're going to die and they just want to live, and they see you. So, you know, please take comfort in that. I know sometimes it's challenging in an environment that you work in the public hospital. I know this, and that's one of the real passions that I have to support, is supporting what happens here in Jamaica, because, I mean, I see the patient population, and I know it's easy, very easy to get discouraged with the whole healthcare system and how it is here in Jamaica. But I want to commend you for being here, and that's why every year I try to make it here to offer you. And it's expensive. I mean, don't think it's not expensive, but I want to give you guys the best, because I think you guys in the public health system deserve the best. Okay, that's why I bring the show down to Kingston Public Hospital, and I don't take it anywhere else. Because in my eyes, and I'm able to look out at Jamaica from a different perspective, Kingston Public Hospital, and of course not leaving out Cornwall Regional, these are the Mecca hospitals in Jamaica.